How would you like to borrow $25,000 overnight? You can. I will show you how in this video. In future videos, you will even learn how to pay your bills without money, obtain loans where you keep the principal and pay only the interest, get unsecured loans on your signature, turn $500 into $1 million in less than a year, use other people's money to rake in millions, raise up to $50,000 in 1 week using a simple system millionaires use, find firms that loan $500 to $5,000 within days, get a self-liquidating loan for up to $1 million without paying it back, make the filthy rich give you cash, and raise unlimited money for starting a business. Can you do all this starting right now? Yes. These topics will be provided in follow-up videos to viewers, so be sure to subscribe below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any of them. Now let's get started. We have received messages from hundreds of desperate people asking how they can get emergency cash. Most of them are facing eviction or loss of their business due to COVID-19 restrictions. Others have located a business opportunity and need startup capital. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to borrow up to $25,000 overnight for any emergency you may be facing now or in the future. First, let's dispense with things you probably know about. You don't need me to remind you about getting a second mortgage on your home, or car title loans, pawn shops, bank loans, or maxing out your credit cards. Chances are you already tried those or you wouldn't be listening to this. So, here's 3 ways to borrow $25,000 overnight that you may not have considered. Number 1. Borrow from friends and relatives. You may have thought about this but were too embarrassed to ask them. Don't be. It doesn't make you a beggar if you present them with a chance to make a large return on their loan. Maybe you have a job lined up, or a new business that will make money. Mention it to assure them they have no risk. Just don't make it sound like you are desperate for a loan. Make it sound like they would be foolish to miss out on the opportunity to earn a huge return from their loan. If you need money for a business, offer them a percentage of future profits. Number 2. Borrow collateral. Maybe your friends or relatives would like to help but simply don't have the funds to loan you money. What you do is convince them to co-sign your loan. One way is to pay them or promise to help them in the future. The ability to provide collateral for a loan almost guarantees you will get one. Of course, an established lender would still require evidence of your ability to pay, such as a job, but we are talking about friends and relatives here. Number 4. Use your life insurance policy as collateral. As long as your insurance company allows assignment of the policy, you can oftentimes get a lender to accept it as collateral, especially if the policy has a cash value. If these methods don't suit your needs, then subscribe now for our next video, which shows you how to raise up to $50,000 in 1 week using a simple system millionaires use. This is our master secret. I guarantee it will work for you. Best wishes until then.